Welcome to TechXplorer, your ultimate source for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving into Samsung's newest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that redefines what a premium smartphone can be. With a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, an industry-leading 200MP quad-camera system, and a massive 6000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed to dominate in every category. But is this the ultimate Android phone of 2024? Let's find out as we explore its features, performance, and everything in between. Samsung has truly outdone itself with the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The phone features a sleek aluminum frame and a matte glass back that feels luxurious in hand. The IP68 rating ensures that the phone is resistant to water and dust, making it as durable as it is beautiful. Available in Phantom Black, Mystic Silver, and the stunning new Emerald Green, the S25 Ultra is as much a style statement as it is a technological marvel. With its curved edges and ultra-thin bezels, the S25 Ultra offers a seamless and immersive experience. It's slightly heavier at 233 grams, but that's the trade-off for the large battery and robust build. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is undoubtedly one of the best screens on the market. With 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, it offers breathtaking visuals, whether you're streaming, gaming, or simply scrolling. The display also supports HDR10+, delivering vibrant colors and incredible contrast. And with a peak brightness of 2400 nits, the screen remains perfectly visible even under direct sunlight. Samsung has also improved the adaptive refresh rate, which now intelligently adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, optimizing both performance and battery life. Paired with the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, unlocking your phone is both fast and secure. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset. Built on a 3nm process, this processor delivers unparalleled performance while being incredibly efficient. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps, the S25 Ultra handles it all with ease. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage, this phone is a multitasking beast. The device also features Wi-Fi 7 and 5G connectivity, ensuring you're always connected at blazing fast speeds. From gaming to productivity, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers flagship-level performance in every aspect. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a game-changer. At the heart of it is the 200MP primary sensor, which captures incredible detail and vibrant colors. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the AI-enhanced features ensure your photos look stunning in any lighting condition. The quad-camera setup includes a 12MP ultrawide lens, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom. Together, these lenses allow for up to 100x space zoom, making distant subjects appear crystal clear. The video capabilities are equally impressive, with 8K recording at 30 frames per second and improved stabilization for professional-grade footage. The 12MP selfie camera offers features like portrait video and night mode, ensuring your selfies look great in any scenario. Battery life has always been a priority for Samsung's Ultra series, and the S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. What's more impressive is the 100W wired fast charging capability, which can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just under 30 minutes. The phone also supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're on the go or at home, the Galaxy S25 Ultra ensures you're never out of power for long. Running on One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a seamless and feature-packed user experience. The software is intuitive, with tons of customization options to suit your preferences. Samsung has included productivity-focused features like Samsung DeX, allowing you to turn your phone into a desktop experience. The improved S Pen integration is another highlight, making the S25 Ultra perfect for note-taking, drawing, and creative tasks. With enhanced privacy tools and long-term software support, including 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, Samsung ensures your investment is future-proof. Durability is another strong point for the S25 Ultra. With its IP68 rating, the phone can withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on both the front and back adds excellent protection against scratches and drops. Connectivity options are cutting-edge, with support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-wideband (UWB) for seamless communication with smart devices. Whether you're transferring files or connecting to peripherals, the S25 Ultra is ready for the future. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is priced at $1,399, putting it firmly in the flagship category. While it's on the higher end of the spectrum, the combination of its stunning display, powerful performance, and industry-leading camera system makes it worth the investment. Its closest competitors include the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, but the S25 Ultra's versatility and features give it a significant edge in the Android space. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the ultimate flagship for 2024? With its stunning design, incredible performance, unmatched camera system, and versatile features, it's hard to find any flaws in this device. For those seeking the best Android experience, the Galaxy S25 Ultra sets the gold standard. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more detailed reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.